Welcome to this video on the continuous revolution of the ceiling fan. We'll explore the hidden physics, aerodynamics, and engineering spinning above our heads. It's a common myth that ceiling fans cool rooms. They actually cool you through evaporative cooling. The evolution of the fan has been a search for the perfect kinetic engine, aiming to move more air with less friction. The air conditioning boom in the 1950s threatened the ceiling fan. However, the energy crisis of the 1970s brought the fan back as a cost-effective alternative. The motor is the heart of the machine. Modern BLDC motors offer significant advantages over traditional AC induction motors, including much lower power consumption and higher efficiency. The physics of the blade pitch is crucial. The sweet spot for balance and efficient airflow is between 12 and 15 degrees. Material constraints significantly impact fan performance. ABS plastic offers the maximum aerodynamic potential and excellent environmental resilience, while wood provides the best acoustic profile. Modern fan blades borrow from aviation. The use of ABS plastic allows for winglets, upturned blade tips that neutralize chaotic air vortices, reducing drag and wind noise. Proper installation is essential for taming kinetic forces. This includes using a fan-rated junction box, maintaining the 7-foot rule clearance, and performing kinetic balancing to neutralize wobbles. Matching the fan to the environment requires considering spatial volume, vertical clearance, and moisture exposure. The optimal sweep for a 225 square foot room is typically 52 inches. The winter switch leverages thermodynamic displacement. By reversing the motor, the fan gently redistributes warm air trapped near the ceiling without creating a chilling breeze. Modern fans feature advanced automation for algorithmic comfort. This includes thermal triggers, spatial awareness via occupancy sensors, and sleep modes that adjust motor speeds as the night air cools. The smart fan is outsmarting the air conditioner. By combining BLDC permanent magnets, ABS winglet aerodynamics, and IoT occupancy sensors, it maximizes evaporative cooling with minimal electrical grid reliance. From ancient manual punkas to modern BLDC motors, the ceiling fan has survived millennia. It remains one of the most cost-effective and sustainable cooling solutions on the planet. Look up next time you walk into a room.